Hey guys, how's it going? How's your family? How are you? What you doing? I know what you're doing. You're gonna either watch this video or you're going to click away. Don't click away, okay? Don't do that. Don't do it. Cause I am reviewing Stay Golden Cosmetics Glitter Lip Kit. And I have no idea what I'm doing, so watch how bad I am at this, alright? Just watch, okay? Just watch it, because it's going to be probably a big fail. And I have no idea what I'm doing. So, it has instructions. It says, start with dry lips, or their matte lip formula in Island Girl Matte. Line their lips, which I don't do, so I'm automatically going against the instructions. And then it says to apply a thin layer of the Gloss Bond. Alright, Gloss Bond. This. Oh, it's white. Alright. Ooh. It smells like paint. Alright. Smells like paint. Ooh. I don't know why I'm blotting. Alright, it's sticky and white. And now I have to let it dry. My lips are crusty, like they always are. And I have to dampen this sponge that I have here, so I'm going to pour some water into this cup and spill it everywhere. Alright. I said this would be wild and not good. This is basically jar glitter. Thought it'd be like, is it clear? Yeah. Thought it'd be like a lip gloss kind of thing, like the glitter flip from Ciate London, or however you say it. Alright, I dampened it. Now we're gonna apply the glitter. Okay. There we go. It's not sticking in some places. Oh no, there we go. I just didn't have enough on the sponge. Cool. So there's the bottom. Done. Dampen a little more. Go in. This is kind of neat. It's not what I expected. But it's easy to apply. And I got pink, so it would blend with my lips pretty well. Today, I am about the glitter. It says that this is kiss proof and smudge proof. I don't know. Whew. Look at that. Stay golden. Wow. And then it has another end that you use to like clean up the edges. But I don't really have much to clean up. got a very good bone, very good color. Oh no! Wow, that looks amazing. Look at that! Wow. I mean, it feels like. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh no. Let's try to. A lot more on there. There we go. I mean, it feels like you've got glitter on your lips, but not my teeth or anything like that. Let's see. A little fallout, but I think that's just extra. Try again. Just a little bit. Barely. Phone. Leave me alone. I am going for the glitter today. My eyes, my lips. Feels weird. I mean, I had a little glitter in my mouth for a little bit, but a little bit of glitter in my teeth too. But I think once I get better with the gloss, let's see, to remove, use an oil-based makeup remover. I'm glad I have one of those. Otherwise, I'd be a little bit out of luck. Have glitter on my lips forever. Although, as someone with notoriously peely lips, this looks amazing. I love it. And I always feel like, whenever I have something on my lips, I always feel it. So, I look like I'm doing karate chops. So, I mean, it's not like it's that big of a deal, honestly, that I can feel that there's glitter on my lips, but I love it. So I think once I get better with it, it'll be even better. I've got glitter everywhere, man. So that is it. That's the Stay Golden Cosmetics Glitter Lip Kit. And what color is this? What color are you? I don't know, it just says glitz. Maybe that's the color? It's this pink holographic glitter. That is absolutely beautiful. So, mwah, I love it. And, I mean, even if it were like a matte lipstick with glitter in it, you feel it, honestly. And I don't really have anything in my teeth now. So, thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up also. If you didn't like it, give it a dislike, and comment and let me know what kind of content you would like to see or what you'd like me to change up. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I mean, it doesn't take much. It'd be nice. I'd like you forever. Oh my goodness. So I just appreciate all you guys. I've had a few more subscribers come in, and I just appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all.